Today I'm going to show you how to install erxes plugin into erxes. I will choose loyalty plugin today. So in order to do that, add plugin name into configs.json file, which locates in erxes directory on your erxes hosted machine. So now I'm in erxes directory, edit configs.json file, then add plugin's name. In our case, it is loyalties. Oops. Name. Loyalties. After that, npm run erxes up. As you can see here, it is creating service called plugin loyalties API. Now you need to update plugin UI. You can find those commands from our open source community channel on Discord. We're going to change this to loyalties. And this will download loyalties UI related files from S3. And then update our core API and core UI services. As you can see here, they are all updating. This command also updates the gateway service. Okay, now go to your erxes and in here you can see loyalties added. So that's all. And if you have any more questions, you can always find us from our Discord, also on GitHub, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you.